Oh, look at them beauties. Amazing. How you doing, guys? Hope you're well. This week I thought I'd do some steamed fish, some steamed cod, some beautiful, clean flavours, Mediterranean. And this dish is all about the sauce and the cod. We're going to concentrate on the steamed fish and the sauce. And the sauce has got some acidity, it's got some fat, it's healthy, and it's so simple to actually do. For my steamed fish, I use the bamboo steamer. I've always used them. They do a fantastic job, and there's just something about them I actually love. And to protect the fish, I use some romaine leaves, and to perfume the fish, I use some basil, some mint. And oh man, when I'm getting excited, but when you steam it and it's finished, and you take that lid off, and you know, and the aromas, the smell come out, oh, it's beautiful. And if you're on a health kick, steaming's the way to go. It's the most healthiest way to cook. It lowers cholesterol, it retains nutrients and vitamins and minerals, and you can actually taste the actual protein or the vegetables. Amazing. This dish is very clean, like I said. It's Mediterranean style, it's light, it's beautiful, great with, I serve mine with some quinoa, but you can serve it with some nice steamed rice or some fried rice. You know, you can go to town with it. It's a good dish, so give it a go. Thanks, guys. First, start by making the sauce. Diced shallot, garlic, fresh mint and basil. Add all the ingredients to a bowl. Followed by red wine vinegar and olive oil. Mix well and transfer to a pan. Now bring to a gentle simmer and slowly cook until the tomatoes have broken down. Season to taste with lemon juice and salt and pepper. For this dish, I'll be steaming my protein. The great thing about steaming is it retains nutrients and vitamins. You don't need any oil, cooks food faster, keeps in natural flavours, retains cancer-fighting compounds, lowers cholesterol, and many more. To protect and flavour the fish, I use romaine leaves, fresh basil, mint, and lemon. Now steam for about 10 to 12 minutes. A great addition to this dish is some fresh mint yogurt. Add fresh mint to yogurt, followed by lemon juice and salt and pepper to taste. I serve this with some quinoa, but it's also delicious with some lemon rice, potatoes, green beans, a simple salad, or roasted vegetables. So there you have it, a fresh, light, delicious and healthy dish that you can make in no time. Thanks, guys.